So he does not ever like to wake up. He's definitely a sleepyhead. Christian, wake up, wake up. Christian, good morning, good morning. Oh, good morning. He's got his face over his, his hand over his eyes. Oh, he has set up. He has set up.
You silly.
I'm silly. He said I'm silly. I was tickling his back. Oh goodness, he laid back down. You better get up. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Get up. Get up. Good morning. Want to show him what you got? What you got?
Puppy.
Puppy. I love you. You're my sweetie pie. Sweet. Alright, we're outside. We're taking a letter to the mailbox. I wrote my pen pal back, so I am sending it off before the mailman comes. Alright. We gotta stop. Stop, stop, stop. That way and that way. Is there any cars coming? No. Alright, open it up. Put it in. Good job. And the flag up. Good job. You know what to do now, don't you? Yes. Well guys, the cool weather has gone. It's not hot, but it's definitely warming back up. I would much rather it be cool and have to wear pants and a sweater, but back to wearing shorts and flip-flops. I was wearing some pajama pants inside. I'm like, oh, I gotta take them off. They're too hot. So, are you still in Mama's coffee? Don't worry, guys. It's decaf. Is that good? I had to wait for my coffee to cool down before I could even drink it. It's like, oh, it's so hot. Good job.
Oh no,
Try to hit the ball again. Come here.
You dip that.
Cool.
And it's all open.
Okay.
And then
We walked right up here to where some rocks were, and he was getting some rocks with his construction stuff.
oh no, you ID right here.
Okay, alright. You want Mommy to do this part? Okay. He's gonna scoop up some rocks. Ah, it's stuck. There he goes. He's an old toy, isn't he?
Eat a boy.
We got this one at the thrift store, remember?
Right.
No. He's dumping the rocks into the dump truck. Alright, your dump truck is full. You empty it. Good job.
I take them all fine.
Okay. Gotta put it in the rocks.
I'm gonna eat that dog toy. Oh no.
Oh, sorry. Alright, you ready for me to dump it in the dump truck? Okay, here we go. Alright. Gotta dump your rocks into
Oh no.
from the dump truck.
Oh, that, eat Mickey.
Oh, it's messy. Okay.
The one way.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a little DIY. I've got 2 keys right here. Cody made them for me the other day, the house keys. So, since they're just plain gold, I'm going to paint them. And I thought I could paint them with some nail polish, so I'm doing garnet and gold for FSU colors. Go Seminoles.
Yes.
So anyway,
That
let's
new
see if we can
one.
set this up. See it.
I want that new ones. And
garnet one right there, my gold one right there. It was already gold, but this is a shimmery gold, so it's better. So anyway, that's the first coat, and then I'll have to turn them over and do the coat on that side. But and then I might put another coat on this one because the garnet, the gold is still showing up through it, so I might put second coats on both of them.
they eat. Oh, eat poo, Mama, eat poo, eat poo.
It's full? Okay.
Oh.
Are we playing outside?
You eat that.
Okay. Are we playing outside?
Yes.
Okay.
Go.
Hi guys. We're up from nap. The sun is shining right in my eyes. We are up from nap and we got some lunch and now we're outside playing with one of Christian's favorite toys in the sand. And yes, I've already turned on my Christmas music. It's right there, but I can't play it while the vlog is because they'll do a copyright thing. But we are waiting till Cody gets off of work. I think it's like 10 or so minutes, but they're waiting around for a truck to get there with a shipment of lawnmowers, so he might be late, which sucks. But tomorrow's Friday, so yep, we're out here playing, waiting on Cody to get home. Alright, tell mommy, tell me what you just told me.
You the bag for you.
You got a what for me?
The bag for you.
You got a surprise for me? What is it?
Egg.
An egg? He just told me, he said, I got a surprise for you, Mama. I'm like, oh. But he loves those surprise egg videos on YouTube. Can you say surprise again?
Surprise.
Surprise. Alright.
With that monkey boy.
Yeah.
With that monkey boy.
Listen. The ice cream man came. And Christian got ice cream. We picked out a different one this time. Alright. I heard him down the road, so I'm like, ran out to go get it. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh, you got 2 of them. I don't know if he meant to do that or not. Let's see here. We'll put the other one in the freezer. Alright. Let's set this right here for a second.
What's that thing? What's that thing?
I think it's like it's some type of like popsicle.
Oh, that lollipop.
You like it? Yeah.
What that thing like?
It's some type of like popsicle. Was it good?
But that one can
Yeah, I'm gonna go put this one in the freezer.
That no one popsicle.
Yeah, you got 2 of them, didn't you? That's cool. You like that?
Read that. Oh, it's open.
Oh yeah, the mailbox is open. Alright guys, I'm going ahead and end today's vlog. I hope you had a great day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!